right, so we're currently on PooCoin. PooCoin is like a chart, where you can actually track what's going on the coin. As you can see right now, this is the current price of the coin. That's 0.00000002532. That's, you can always add more liquidity to improve the value of the coin, right? So what we have here is just like $19. If you want to check more about the info of the coin, you can just click on info. It will show you currently how much is in it. You can see here, $25 market cap. I mean, interesting. Just a very interesting way to get started, right? And you can see that we have in the LP, we've got $19 in the LP right now, and that already shows you what we're talking about. This is, and currently we have how many holders? I think it's just one holder for now, since it's just since it just started. So let's take it back. So all of these just give you information about the coin when you launch, right? So what we want to do is now is to make it tradable. As you can see, this trade is red. It's the trading is not yet enabled, so we have to go back into BSC scan to do that. We have our verified contract, so what we have to do is click on the verified contract, and then we go into the go into the right contract. That's where we're going to now connect it to the wallet and now make sure that we enable it for trading, because if not, we cannot get it traded. So we need to connect to the wallet. So say okay, and as usual, it will ask you which one you want to do. So we can just click on MetaMask. When we do that, we have to go and check on MetaMask to make sure we get everything enabled. So we currently have 56 cents in our wallet. Let's see whether we can even get to buy anything with that. If not, we'll go and try. We'll have to make a purchase through this wallet, also make a purchase on another wallet, just to see whether people can buy and trade it. Okay, so right now, let me just reload this to see whether it has asked me. Okay, it hasn't. So let's go back. So what I want to do is I'm going to, okay, still loading. I want to connect to Web3. We'll click on OK. So we're already connected. Let's just enlarge and expand all of these. We'll go to number 25 to enable, trading. So we're going to 25. That's where we left it off at. Let's hope it hasn't changed, because most of these things change from time to time. So let's see, 25, yes, trading status. So we need to make it true. So all we're going to do is put the small letters TRUE, no space, and then we click on write. So when we do that, we have to go back and check as usual, because this is phone view. Then we'll check and see how far, load it up and see whether it's going to bring that opportunity for us to get that. Oh yeah, like I told you, just exactly. So how much is this? This is 3 cents. So it's 3 cents to get that done. Let's confirm. So what we're doing right now is that we are enabling trading. And well, let's hope that we won't get too much of a surprise. Don't forget, people can only buy maximum 1%. Okay, let's see how this goes. All right, so we're all doing this learning together. So we've done this. Let's go ahead and see what is going on. So that was like 2 cents. Okay, let's go over back and see what's going on. I think we've done that already. So we've enabled that. So it is already enabled. Let's see. That's 25. Let's see. Trading status is enabled. We have done that already. Let's go back. Let's go back to PooCoin and see whether it's allowing us to even see the trading. Let's just see whether we can trade this, whether this is going to change from red. We don't know. We're learning this together. I think it did. Yippee! So right now you can see it's tradable. As you can see, the trade has turned white. It's no longer red. So now what we need to do is to try and buy this. Okay,